Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Marvel Rivals DirectX 12 error on the PC. There are a couple of different steps, so try not to skip any of that. Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure your computer is even capable of running DirectX or not. This is very important later, so go to Run. Here type in DXDIAG, DX dialog. Type in, press enter, and here you'll see your computer specs. Go to display, and here you'll see your graphics driver. This is actually pretty important. So basically, this game cannot run on an integrated graphics driver for whatever reason. They told people that, well, it can, but basically it cannot. So make sure your graphics driver is dedicated. And here on the right hand side, you're gonna see feature levels 12_2, 12_1, etc, etc. So what this means is that your computer is running DirectX 12, DirectX 11, DirectX 9, etc, etc. If it can run DirectX 12_0 or 12_1, then it should be able to run this game without any issues. If it doesn't show that, then you want to download the recent version of DirectX and update your graphics driver to make sure that, well, you can do it. Now, okay, we're gonna check. If you cannot run DirectX 12, that's fine. We're gonna force the game to run in DirectX 11 or DirectX 12 at a later date. Okay, so basically after you've done that, you might want to try uninstalling your current GPU driver and reinstalling it. How do you do that? Press the Windows button, press X. You'll see Device Manager on the left hand side. Here you're gonna see display adapters right here. And then under display adapters, you're gonna see your current display adapter, your graphics card. You want to right click on this and say uninstall device, and then you want to check device. There's going to be a box asking you to delete the driver software for this device. Click yes, and then click uninstall, and then reinstall it. And how do you reinstall it? Well, you can basically Google whatever the name of your graphics card is, or I have NVIDIA control panel here. For NVIDIA users, that's very easy, but basically through this control panel, you can automatically update your graphics drivers. AMD, I'm sure it's a very similar process. Okay, the next step is to make sure that your Windows is up to date. So go into search, go into settings. On the bottom, you're gonna see Windows Update, and here you want to check for updates, and then if it finds any updates, I'll basically have them install all the updates. You think this might not be important, but it's more important than you might think. Okay. Now, how do you run this game without DirectX 12? So this process is gonna be very similar on Steam, or if you're on a different kind of platform. So basically open up Steam, you're gonna see Marvel Rivals in your library. Right click on it, click on properties, and here you're gonna see launch options. So make sure the game isn't something like DX12 or DX3D12. So maybe that is unsupported. Now, what you can do is type in -DX11 or -D3D11, and that will force the game to run in DirectX 11. So you want to give that a try to see if that fixes the issue. Now, if that didn't fix the issue, you want to move on to the next step. From here, you're going to see installed files on the left hand side. From here, go to Browse and scroll down until you see Marvel Rivals Launcher.exe. Now we want to launch this game as an administrator, one way to do it is simply right click and say run as administrator. However, a more permanent option is to click on some more options, go to properties, and you're going to see the launcher properties here. Go to the compatibility tab, and here you're going to see the option. This will be clicked off by default, but run this program as an administrator. You want to click on this, then click apply. Then you want to shut down the game and restart it to see if that fixes your issue. If it didn't, you also want to try to click on disable full screen optimization. Now this is an issue that many people seem to have. We'll click on both of them, apply, hit OK, reboot it once again to see if that fixes it. Now if that still doesn't fix it, you want to try to run this game in compatibility mode. So click on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Even if you're not on Windows 8, for some reason, I'm not quite sure why, but this does seem to fix the issue for some people. Then click apply, click OK, and see if that fixes your issue. Okay, the next step you want to try is to, of course, go to right click on the game, go to installed files left hand side, go to verify integrity of game files. You also want to do this in Windows as well, so go to search, go to settings, go to apps, go to installed apps, and here find the game on this list. Go to Marvel Rivals, click on the three little dots here, then go to advanced options and scroll down until you see reset, and then under reset you're going to see repair and reset. So click on both repair and then reset. What this does, basically it verifies all the game files, and it goes through the registry editor to make sure that all the registry entries are correct. Okay. Now, if you've done that, there's one more step that you can try to maybe make this game run properly. So before you do that, what you want to do is right click the game once again, go to properties, go to installed files, go to browse. From here, go to click on Marvel game, Marvel, binaries, Win64, and you want this file path here. So take this file path, copy it. Now go to Windows search, go to exploit protection, press enter, and this will come up. Now go to program settings and click on add program to customize, and then choose exact file path. From here it is already there, but you want to paste the file path I just made you copy and paste, and this will come up. And from here you want to select Marvel Win64-shipping.exe and click open. Now from here you're going to have a bunch of different options: arbitrary code guard, etc, code integrity guard, etc. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find control flow guard CFG. It ensures control flow integrity for indirect calls. You want to press on override system settings, and then you want to say off and hit apply and reboot the game. Now what does this do? So basically this is a protection for Windows, for programs running on Windows. Windows basically forces a lot of doesn't give permissions to a lot of software for writing permissions for basically other parts of Windows, and it protects your system from viruses basically. So however, Marvel Rivals is obviously not a virus, and by disabling this you're not going to harm anything. It basically protects your computer. Okay, hit apply, hit I'm going to cancel, but for you, hit apply, reboot the game, and see if that fixes your issue. Okay, if this did fix your issue, leave the video a like and a comment saying what fixed the issue. If it didn't fix the issue, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you.